everybody. I got this little fireman emblem that came off a keychain, and I want to incorporate it into a bowl or a lid or something of a bowl. But so that's what we're gonna do. So I have this crotch here. I'm pretty sure it's maple. I was messing around with it, trying to get it balanced off camera. I got it pretty good, but this is what I'm going to use for the fireman bowl that we're going to call it now. So let's go ahead and start trying to shape this into something. So don't be like me. Make sure you always wear your safety shoes in the shop. So I did a boatload of sanding on this. I covered it with some sanding sealer. I'm going to continue to sand it for a while, but it's coming out pretty nice. It's coming out pretty nice.
So, a lot of sanding, boatload of sanding, a little abrasive paste. I don't know if you can really see this on the inside, but there's some, what do they call that, shimmering in here. In here, so many different extrusions on here. Got a knot, branch, piece of bark, another branch or knot. As you remember, this was a crotch. Maybe you'll see it now here. Pretty nice. A little more, maybe some more polish, more abrasive on here. And
applying the first coat. Now I'm applying the second coat. So this is after I put about 3 or 4 coats on, and this is where I'm gonna stop.
Alright, well here it is. It's got this cool bark on the side. I really like it. I'm going to give you some close-ups in a minute. Kind of like the shape. This crotch has so many different inclusions. It has some wild grain patterns in here. All in all, it's a pretty nice bowl. Traditional shape. You know, it's pretty cool. Got my little fireman emblem in here from the keychain. It's kind of cool. I got this for my emblem, which I didn't print out yet. And got a couple little bug holes and knots, but all in all, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like and share, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Really help us out here. And hope you have a great day.
So don't be like me. Make sure you always wear your safety shoes in the shop.